Welcome to a journey of empowerment and change. In today's video, we're diving deep into the profound message of Chant Down Babylon, a rallying cry that echoes through history and drives us towards a better future. The idea for creating this video came from a comment left by Thunder Maximilian. From its origins in the reggae culture to its global impact on activism, we'll uncover the heart and soul of this powerful movement. Get ready to be inspired, enlightened, and ready to make a difference. So without further ado, let's dive into the story of Chant Down Babylon and its enduring legacy. Chant Down Babylon, three simple yet profoundly impactful words that encapsulate a rallying cry for societal transformation and justice. Emerging from the reggae culture, this phrase has transcended music, becoming a symbol of resistance against oppression and inequality. In this video, we delve into the historical context, the message behind Chant Down Babylon, which I knew nothing of until the comment from Maximilian. Chant Down Babylon, a call to action. Chant Down Babylon is more than just a catchphrase, it's a call to action that resonates with individuals seeking change. Originating from the reggae genre, it embodies the spirit of rebellion and the refusal to tolerate injustice. A phrase rooted in history and struggle. The roots of Chant Down Babylon can be traced back to the Rastafarian movement in Jamaica, which emerged as a response to colonialism and racial oppression. Rastafarians embraced the phrase as a means to reject the oppressive forces and systems that sought to subjugate them. The power of musical activism. Reggae legends like Bob Marley, Peter Tosh, and Burning Spear transformed Chant Down Babylon into anthems of defiance through their music. These artists used their lyrics to challenge authority, question societal norms, and inspire others to stand up for their rights. Uniting through collective expression. Chant Down Babylon became more than just a slogan, it was a unifying force that brought communities together. People from all walks of life joined the movement, recognizing the need to break down the metaphorical walls of Babylon, a symbol of oppression and corruption. Understanding the message, breaking down Babylon. Challenging systems of oppression. At its core, Chant Down Babylon is a message of resistance against oppressive systems, whether political, economic, or social. It urges individuals to challenge these systems head-on, promoting equality and justice. Reclaiming cultural identity. For marginalized communities, the chant also represents a journey towards reclaiming cultural identity and pride. It serves as a reminder that embracing one's heritage is a powerful act of resistance against attempts to erase it. Spreading consciousness and awareness. Chant Down Babylon is a vehicle for raising awareness about pressing issues. It prompts individuals to question the status quo, fostering critical thinking and encouraging discussions that lead to positive change. Chant Down Babylon in action, inspiring change. Fueling social movements. The resonance of Chant Down Babylon can be felt in various social movements worldwide. From civil rights struggles to environmental activism, the chant serves as a beacon of hope, emboldening individuals to stand up against injustice. Promoting unity and solidarity. The chant transcends geographical boundaries, fostering a sense of unity among people advocating for change. It reminds us that together, we can amplify our voices and effect lasting transformation. Creative expressions of rebellion. Artists, poets, and activists have harnessed the power of Chant Down Babylon to create thought-provoking content. Whether through visual art, spoken word, or grassroots campaigns, the chant's message reverberates far and wide. FAQs about Chant Down Babylon. What does Chant Down Babylon mean? Chant Down Babylon is a metaphorical phrase that signifies resistance against oppressive systems, advocating for justice and social change. Who coined the term? While its exact origin is debated, the Rastafarian movement in Jamaica is credited with popularizing the phrase. How did the reggae genre contribute to the chant's popularity? Reggae music, known for its socially conscious lyrics, acted as a powerful platform for spreading the message of Chant Down Babylon. How can I incorporate the chant's message into my activism? You can use the phrase to inspire your efforts, whether it's through art, music, or grassroots organizing, to challenge systems of oppression. What other movements has the chant influenced? The chant's influence can be seen in civil rights, anti-colonial, and environmental movements globally. Is Chant Down Babylon still relevant today? Absolutely. The chant's message continues to resonate in our modern world, inspiring individuals to fight against injustice. A continuing anthem of change. In a world where inequality and oppression persist, Chant Down Babylon remains a rallying cry for justice. Its journey from the Rastafarian movement to global activism showcases its enduring power to unite, inspire, and transform. As we chant down Babylon, we ignite a flame of hope that drives us towards a more equitable and just future. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the world of Chant Down Babylon. We hope you've gained new insights and inspiration to take forward. Remember, the chant lives on, and you can be a part of this movement for change. Let's continue to unite, raise our voices, and strive for a brighter future. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hey, let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. Thanks again for being a part of this journey. Until next time, keep spreading positivity, advocating for justice, and chanting down Babylon.